Hello guys, are you suffering from this error? Error fetching channel list for account on YouTube? Then don't worry, I got a easy fix for you. But first you need to like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's get into the video. First thing you need to do is to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back on again and connect it to the strong Wi-Fi. And after it, go to your settings, click general and go to iPhone storage and find your YouTube here. Then first you need to offload the app and after it you need to delete the app and get back. Now go to software update and check if there is any update available. Update your phone and after it go to your app store, search for YouTube and update or install the YouTube. And that is all. After doing these things, your error should be fixed. So thank you so much for watching the video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.